Ahoy, shipmates! How's it going? Right, we're just having a quick unboxing, kind of sift through of Jugula from Studio Tomahawk, and this copy is from Gripping Beast. So it's a Gripping Beast game written by Studio Tomahawk, kind of thing, if you know what I mean. Go to the Gripping Beast website, all becomes clear. Right, Jugula. If you like gladiators and that sort of messy palaver, this is going to be a game for you. Let's look through the bits and pieces, then we'll have a quick look at the rule book. I'm going to go through the prices as we go along. So let's have a look at the minis first. So you can buy these separately, so it's up to you. And you can buy a weapons pack. But what I'm looking here at is the familiar sets. Now these sets are £24. And you get 3 gladiator miniatures in each one. Now, as you can probably tell straight away, these are bigger than the usual sort of Gripping Beast Saga style miniatures. These are like 32 mil. Let's see if I got a... Yeah, I've got a Gripping Beast one I can show you next to it. So that's the gladiator size. Let's grab there's a front rank miniature here. So yeah, so that's 28, and as you see, these are big. So I really like these miniatures. I've painted a lot of these before, but what I would say is the game. Let's try and get the sword out. You're not going to be using for many games, although I just thought that next to that front rank miniature, these would be good for like half giants or giants for Age of Magic. Yeah, so sorry, excuse me for digressing. So each pack of these familiars has a different set. So this is the first set. Oh, sorry, I said 3. It's actually 4. I lied. So yeah, so each one has 4. So this pack, set 1, has a Retiaris, Velites, Murmelo, and a Hoplomachus. Dude with a net. Dude with a wolf helmet hat thing. You can see these all right. But I really like them. They paint up nice. I've got some painted. So that's familiar set 1. I said £24. Familiar set 2 and familiar set 3. So what I've done in this video is, this is all the stuff you really ever need to buy. You can buy the weapon packs and change the gladiators around a bit if you like. But that will come in with the rules. There's another 4 in there. What we've got in the set 2, we've got a Scissor, a Sagittarius, a Provocateur, and an Amacarius. You'll have to excuse me for the pronunciations. I am a pirate. And then in familiar set 3, which is also 24, you have a Copularius, Laquarius, a Secator, and a Frex. Something to do with Frasier, I suppose. Okay, so I won't keep pulling these out. You know the score. If you want a good look at them, go to the Gripping Beast website, put in Jugs 23, and then you'll find the rest of them. Or just go to the Jugular bit. Right, something that you do need for this game is the cards. This isn't a dice-driven game, it's a card-driven game. I won't open the pack, so that's one side of the card, and then you have a take one card from your discard pile and add it to your hand. These all do different things, and then yeah. So say to run the game, you need the cards. The cards are not included. They're £8 a pack, so obviously you'll need a pack each. And then we come to Sorry about the wobbling. I had to set the camera up on the same table. I really like this book. It's really cool. So here's the pictures of our miniatures. Designed by Alex Burchell from Studio Tomahawk. Big shout out to Studio Tomahawk. There we go. We got lots of. I won't go right through the book, but it's a typical quality Griffin Beast. It goes in with the sword point stuff. Very similar layouts. In it, you'll get a. Worth looking at. I've got to tuck it back in. Yes, you'll get a arena. These bits are very important. So this was just a quick look at the game. I'm going to get these painted, and then we'll do a play the game through kind of thing. But that explains how your jugular cards work. That's you might have seen Griffin Beasts at the shows recently. They've got that, they've dug that out and they're dragging that around the shows. Yeah, multiplayer games, sequences. What is interesting is there. Where is it at the back somewhere? Career modes. There's a campaign mode in here, which I've not tried yet, which I really want to. Which basically you build your own gladiator school, which is a really interesting. Here we go. Post arena sequence. So after you've been chopped about a bit, you get experience points for your gladiators, and you can build your own schools, which I know nothing about, which I'm going to learn lots about, and then come back at you with it. There's the blurb on the back. You can have a good read of that. So there we go. That is all really. You could probably get away without one of these as well. But I thought, well, whilst I was getting it, I thought I'd get everything that I needed for, forever. So that the rules were £20, the cards were £8 each, and these were £24 each. So that whole setup there is £108 on their website at the moment. Which I think, if you're going to split it between two of you, technically you can split it between three of you, or who knows, split it between as many of you want. But I think £108 for a complete game, that's not just the basics. So if you take that one off, that's what, 80 odd? Yeah. You know what I mean? I'm not doing that. But I say, buy them. You could buy less gladiators, so you could buy them separately and then buy the weapons pack. So yeah, I would go for getting the rules. Well, to be honest, I'm a bit of a completist, so I'd go for getting it all. Yeah, there we go. I'll leave you to it. I don't think there's anything else for me to say. I will get them painted soon on Pirate Rich Paints Live kind of things. I'll do a couple of paint alongs, get the gladiators painted, and then get some gaming in and try and do a couple of battle reports. Anyway, I won't keep you any longer because that's a quick 10 minutes blast through. That's Jugular from Griffin Beast, written by Studio Tomahawk. Get amongst it. Amuse yourselves. Are you not amused? Okay, go to Griffin Beast website and have a look. I'll leave you there. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, that sort of groovy stuff. And I'll see you again soon. Don't forget to check out my other channel, is Pirate Rich Plays, which I do some other stuff and do games and unboxing on mainly. Alright, I will leave you to it. Thank you very much, and see you soon, guys.